Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. This is going to be one of the most exciting videos that I've made in a while. Why? Because I love talking about ways to make money, ways to earn extra income, side hustles. That's literally been my passion and one of the reasons why I started this channel in the first place. So we're going to talk about 10 different ways or apps that are actually paying Uber and Lyft drivers. So if you're an Uber or Lyft driver or a food delivery driver, a lot of these ways will apply to you as well, but that's what we're talking about. 10 different ways to, make some extra money here, make some extra money there. And we all know that having a lot of different streams of income is one of the best ways to get wealthy. If you talk to millionaires, a lot of them say, well, they have like, oh yeah, I have 8 different streams of income, 10 different streams of income. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first one that we're looking at today is Strifefm, and this is a brand new company. So I'm gonna have all the links down below. Please check out all the links. In a lot of cases, you'll get a special sign up bonus or code when you use our link down below. So make sure you use our link before you sign up. Strifefm. This is a new one. This is advertising artists by paying rideshare drivers. Strifefm, reimagining the radio via rideshare. Get started. Join our early access beta. So again, they're they're only accepting limited drivers. So again, make sure to use our link in the description. Artists advertise to hundreds of thousands of listeners. We all know that people don't really listen to the radio anymore. People listen to Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora. Amazon Music now, Apple, oh yeah, I already said Apple Music, but they're kind of reimagining the way artists or the radio works in cars. A lot of time music is discovered in car rides. You turn on the radio and oh, that's a new song. But now they're getting creative and they're doing it in rideshare cars. And so drivers can actually earn income for the amount of streams. So it looks like they get paid, it looks like 1 cent per stream. Is that kind of the model they're going for? $100 to $200 monthly. So I mean, yeah, but throughout the day, you listen to 50 songs, that's 50 cents. So yeah, doesn't sound like a whole lot of money, but hey, I mean, I guess it's, yeah, Spotify Premium, yeah. You get free Spotify Premium for signing up too. So if you use, hey, I mean, you get free Spotify Premium. I might even sign up just for that. Okay, so let's continue. The next one we're looking at is Buckle Up. We do have a code for this one, and when you use our code, you actually do get a sign-up bonus of $5 or $20 depending on your area. So I'm just gonna go down here and click on this one just so you can see it. Oh, I don't have it on that one, but let's see, this one right here. So if you go into our description box, you can click on, dang, I really don't have this. I'm gonna have it down this one here. Here we go, this one. Click on this code here, and when you click on it, you'll see, get a free buckle quote referral. Click here to get a free buckle quote, and you and the person who referred you will both receive $20. Available in Pennsylvania, Florida, Texas, Georgia, Tennessee, Delaware, Illinois, Nevada, and Maryland. I'm assuming they're doing this just for a limited time. But Buckle Up is actually a rideshare insurance company, and we proudly offer free membership for gig drivers. But not only that, excuse me, they're gonna pay you $5 just for a free Buckle membership. So it's actually not even free, they're literally paying you, which is pretty freaking cool. Gosh, I just pulled this shirt out of the, I've been moving. A lot of you guys know I've been moving. If you haven't seen it, check out my personal page. I posted a house tour video. I'm in my new house. I bought my first house ever. But listen to this. So Buckle Up is the first rideshare insurance company that I've seen. No credit checks, immediate proof of insurance, the best customer service. And they only cater towards gig workers. So if you're a rideshare or delivery driver, you can, use them. But if you don't, you don't use them, which is great because they're like kind of just catering towards gig workers, and they want to do it right. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, Geico, and yes, we also offer insurance for rideshare drivers. Like, I wouldn't use them to do it. Like, I would use Buckle Up over that because They're specifically for gig workers. Okay, the next one we're looking at is Play Octopus. If you watch my video, you definitely have heard of Play Octopus, and we do have a special link below to get a free tablet. They are awesome. They basically, what you do is they put a tablet in the back of your headrest on your car, and your passengers can play Pac-Man. They can play little games. And in between the games, they have these little Red Bull ads or whatever, and you earn income. You get your little driver profile. Mine's like Dylan, I play soccer, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, my tips go towards, so it's like, it incentivizes them to tip you more. How to play, yeah, the passengers can earn like Amazon gift cards, like $25 gift cards and stuff. So they're incentivized to play. And as a driver, you earn income based off of how many games the riders play, and based off of how often you drive. So the more you drive, even if they're not playing the games, you earn points that you can redeem for money. So check out my link below for that. That one's really good. They say drivers usually make up to $100 per month extra just for that. They are super awesome, and they're actually really friendly. Like I've had several meetings with them, talked to different people on their team. I went to they threw a driver party. They gave everybody free food. I thought that was incredible. I definitely showed up there. They gave out free t-shirts, Play Octopus t-shirts. I don't have it on. I can't find it, I need to find it, but yeah, they're great. Okay, the next one is Gridwise. Gridwise is great because if you work for multiple apps, they're actually gonna show you like which app you're earning the most with, so you can kind of focus on those ones. And then also another really good one is that they track your miles, which is super, super vital if you're driving as an independent contractor. Please track your miles. Talk to a public accountant, a certified public accountant. Talk to an accountant. Sometimes they're gonna cost $200-300 to do your taxes, whatever it might cost. They could save you thousands of dollars. And again, I'm not an accountant, but they're gonna know how you can take advantage of all the miles you've driven and use that as a tax deduction. So Gridwise is pretty cool. It's the rideshare driver assistant. And yeah, they help drivers. Yeah, not really, they don't pay drivers, but they allow you to save like thousands of dollars. So I wanted to include this on the list. Yeah, tax deduction, just super important. The next one, Survey Junkie. So we do have a link below for Survey Junkie as well. Survey Junkie is really cool. You can make money online. This is an app that definitely pays Uber and Lyft drivers. Why? Because I've used this as an Uber and Lyft driver. Greg from the channel's used it. You make money. You want to do this in between your rides while you're waiting. Don't go on Instagram. I know it's really entertaining. Oh, I'm gonna go on TikTok and just scroll for 20 minutes. No, just fill out surveys, make extra money in between your rides. You take surveys, earn rewards, and you can get that straight to your bank account. Again, use the link below and you will get a sign-up bonus when you use our unique link. Okay, the next one, Stereo, whatever you want to call it. Stereo, Rideshare. Let's see if we can find it. They are a company who pays Uber drivers and Lyft drivers to promote music in Ubers and Lyfts. Like that song, stereo.com. I don't know, are they still in business? I've heard drivers still use them, and then I've heard drivers that don't use them anymore. Support@stereo.com. I don't know why their website is like down right now, but I've heard complaints about Stereo, and then I've also heard that drivers love Stereo. So how rideshare drivers can earn more by playing music. This is an old article, 2018, so sorry about that. I don't know, I wanted to include this because it's kind of similar to the Strifefm one, and this one's been around a lot longer, but I don't know what their deal is and if they're still in business. Okay, the next one is public.com. They pay drivers when you sign up and start investing. Again, this is really out of the box, okay guys? This isn't specific just for drivers, but this is a way that drivers can earn income. You can do it by investing in stocks. There's also another crypto platform called Coinbase. You can earn cryptocurrency by taking little quizzes and stuff. Yeah, again, this isn't gonna be like, I mean, this is for everybody, but maybe not everybody's gonna enjoy it. but I have a link below, and when you click it, you get up to $1,000 worth of free stock just for signing up. And I believe, and then I think you need to make a deposit too. I mean, you could deposit $1, you know what I mean? Get a free stock right there. Okay, the next one, really, really interesting one is Get Upside. They're paying drivers, I guess they rebranded to called Upside. They actually partner with Uber and Lyft, but they pay drivers, any type of drivers, cash back when you fill up at the gas station. I do have a link below again for this one, and earn your monthly spend to see how much you could earn if you always use Get Upside. Oh yeah. So when you fill up gas, you have to go to a specific gas station. Like they have partnerships with different gas stations. It's super simple, super fast. I've used it like at least 10 times, 20 times maybe. You go there, you basically check in, take a picture of your receipt, and within like a day or two, the cash goes into your Upside account, and it just gets deposited right into your account. Anyways, I'm not gonna dive into that anymore. It's pretty plain and simple. You can look into it yourself. The Reactivation Center. If you haven't heard of the Reactivation Center, they are a company that helps drivers get their accounts back. They sell ebooks for like reactivations. We all know that drivers get deactivated from different gig apps all the time, right? It's a lot of them are fair deactivations, like, you know, you got into a fight with, you got into too many car accidents or whatever, you didn't pass your background check. But a lot of times drivers get deactivated from poor ratings or false ratings. Passengers will just leave a 1 star and say, oh, my driver's creepy, and they just boom, deactivated. So this company, they are selling books. Again, if you ever have somebody who's like, oh, we can guarantee you get reactivated, there's a lot of spam comments. Do not please click those links or click those Instagram accounts or whatever. But they are paying people to share their code. Basically, they have an affiliate program on. So if you have, you know, you can share it in Facebook group or whatever, you'll get your unique code. You can earn some income through that. And it's great for drivers. I mean, even if you have like, you know, friends who've been deactivated, or, you know, I know a lot of you guys are friends, like in Facebook groups and stuff. Okay, the last one I want to share with you guys is YouTube. I know this is kind of a weird one, but in my opinion, driving for Uber, if you have driving experience as an Uber driver, you can easily talk about your earnings. So many people are signing up every single day and going on YouTube and typing in, Uber driver, how do I make money? Look at this, the rideshare guy. 5 days ago, he's got 5,000 views. That equates to like $100, guys, in just ad views. $97,000, that's like, or 97,000 views, that's like $1,000, $2,000 in ad revenue. Not to mention all, you know, you go into here, all of a sudden you go down the list, you see they got about 7,000 affiliate links. They're getting paid every single time somebody clicks to drive up with Uber, drive Uber XL, earn cash back on anything from any store. What the heck is this? Fetch rewards. DoorDash. Every time somebody clicks on this link, maximum delivery driver profit group thing. Look at this guy, Harry Campbell. I'm just kidding. Harry Campbell's awesome. I'm not trying to give him a hard time. He's awesome. He's doing a lot of things for the community.
Fan of the gig economy. Drivers with delivery apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart.
Hey, we both got merch.
$5 per hour.
Shout out you, Harry.
Flexible schedule. So that sounds pretty good, right? But one thing I've noticed.
Anyways, you can actually build, like, and you don't have to have this huge brand or anything. Like, look at this guy, Eddie Doyle. I mean, he's just adding in little clips right here. He's literally talking in his bedroom. And then he doesn't have good quality at all. I don't have good quality at all. And, you know, he just, 300,000 views. That's like, that's a lot of money, actually. 300,000 views. I think that equates probably to like $5,000, $50,000. Is that right? I don't know. My math could be off on this. How to use Uber. 200,000 views. Like, you could literally just, I mean, these ones are so funny, picking up Uber riders with the supercar prank. This guy goes, look at this guy, 1 day ago, what the heck, this guy getting 50,000 views?
Yeah. What are you talking?
Oh, this is definitely fake, but still, I mean, people don't even realize these skits are fake. But yeah, guys, I just want to include that on there because if you're driving Uber in 2022, you have a huge opportunity to talk about it on YouTube and just literally turn on your camera. You're gonna get people watching your videos, I guarantee it. If you post one video a day for like 2 months, you're probably gonna start getting monetized and start earning ad revenue, right? Your face doesn't even need to be in the video. You could literally just turn the camera around and talk while you drive, kind of like dash cam style. People will listen. People want to know like about Uber. It's such an interesting thing that people want to, be a fly on the wall. So anyways, that's the 10 ways to increase your income. Thank you for watching. You guys are awesome. Again, check out all the links below to sign up to earn those extra dollars, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.